Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Tuesday, May 28th, 2019. The time is around 2:45 a.m. GMT. So US and the London market is closed on Monday. So we have a relatively quiet day. All right, and today we're going to be updating the chart of the Russell. This is 30 minutes chart, short term. We can see that the rally to 1571 was labeled as with X. All right, so what that means then is that this leg right now is the Y leg, which suggests more downside. Okay, and we can see the subdivision of the Y leg is in the form of a possible double zigzag. So we got the first zigzag here, A, B, C, ending W, and now we are completing the X. And then possibly as far as we stay below 1571, we could see another ABC to the downside. So it's a double zigzag. This is the first zigzag, and then later on the Y leg in the black is going to be the second zigzag. Okay, and then the Y leg in the red is in the form of a double zigzag or double correction. All right, and this is the blue box in which we can find sellers to appear here. This blue box here is going to be 100% of this WXY in the shorter cycle. All right, and that will be in the extreme area in which we can find sellers. So we don't like buying it, of course, and we still can see sellers appearing from this box, okay, for further downside later on. Now if we step back and look at the higher degree, looking at the 4-hour here, okay, now this one right now, this is what we are looking at, the Russell in the 4-hour. We got this high from here in May 6th, right? And then we got a connector somewhere in the middle. So this X here that we saw earlier is this X right here, and so that means this is your W, and so we are calling this entire decline as some sort of a double correction, right? So this one looks like a 3 swings here, 1 2 3. Okay, so that could be counted as a zigzag, ABC ending WX, and then now we are looking for the Y leg over here. Now based on this one, we could see very clear that this is trading within the channel and it breaks the channel. So this is your connector from the peak. All right, and then now we are looking for the Y leg extension. Now typically when you got an ABC zigzag or a WXY double correction, typically in the third swing should reach around 100%, and that's why if you measure the 100%, you can see that we have not reached the ideal target here, and so that's why we're still thinking that we can possibly see for the downside still, at least until we reach this area. And then from here, again, I mean, if it is bullish, then we can go to new high. If it is not bullish, we could see a bounce from there and then lower again. Okay, so at least in the shorter cycle, it looks to me that as far as it stays below this X in red, we still can see one more leg on the downside to at least reach around 1466 and this blue box area over here. Okay, so if you guys want to see further updates or analysis of other instrument, feel free to check out our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is going to be provided in the description of the video. We also have Memorial Day promotion right now. Is going to expire this week. You guys can have a 50% discount if you're a new client. Okay, so that will be a really great value. You can take advantage of it. So the link is also going to be provided in the description of the video. Okay, so thank you very much and see you all again tomorrow.